So friend, the Apple iPhone 17 series is expected in September 2025 and the global keynote is set for September 8 to 10 with sales starting around September 19, and the iPhone 17 family will include 4 models, and those are iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max, and Pro models are the main focus for new advancements, and the iPhone 17 Pro will feature the A19 Pro chipset and a 12GB RAM, enhancing Apple intelligence, and it will also include vapor chamber cooling and run on iOS 26. And the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to have a unique horizontal triangular rear camera layout. Expect a hybrid aluminum glass pack and notably narrower bezels, and the Pro models may come in silver, black, grey and dark blue and a new copper-like orange. Standard models might offer pastel purple and green options, and all models will feature a 24-megapixel front-facing camera, and the iPhone 17 Pro will boast a triple 48-megapixel camera system including wide, ultra-wide and a new 3.5x telephoto lens, and all the iPhone 17 models will support Wi-Fi 7 and Apple's new CI modem. Overall, battery life is expected to improve due to more efficient chipset, and the early estimates suggest the iPhone 17 Pro will start at approximately 1,45,000 in India price. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.